In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get dark mode in Google Chrome full guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access all of its settings. This process is very simple, and once you know where to look, you can switch the appearance of Chrome in just a few moments. After Chrome is open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu there. This menu gives you access to many of Chrome's main options and controls. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. Once the menu appears, look for the Settings option and click on it. When the Settings page opens, find and select the Appearance section. Inside Appearance, choose Dark Mode. Once selected, Chrome will switch from its standard light appearance to a darker color theme. This can make the browser more comfortable to look at, especially in low-light environments or during long browsing sessions. Dark mode can also help reduce glare on your screen, which many people find easier on the eyes. That is the full process for enabling dark mode in Google Chrome. It is quick, easy, and only takes a few clicks once you know where the option is located. That covers everything you need to know.